Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600. Concept is subject verb agreement and adverb. Let us move ahead. It says the change in regulations pertaining to extracurricular activities have confused teachers and students alike. Alright. So first of all, verb have. And what is subject for have? It is the change. If you remember, whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. And that is rule number 1. If you do not remember rule number 1, I'll share a link in description. You can go through. By the way, the rule number 1 is whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. And what is before first preposition? That is the change, and change is singular. That's why it should be has, but it is have. So option A out, option B out, even option C out. Why C out? Because confuse. It is plural verb. Remember, whenever we add verb plus SES, it becomes singular. When we do not use SES, it is by default plural. So for change, it should be confuses, but it is confused. So option C out. Now option D and option E. Both are fine from subject verb agreement point of view. So what's the problem? Has alike confused. Now the uses of alike. Remember, alike is never used before verb. Alike is used always after verb. So the placement of alike is incorrect. And that's why option D out, E becomes best option.